So this video assumes that you're brand new to the game of bridge, possibly even new to the game of, or to the use of cards, playing cards. So we're going to start you at this is a deck of cards and work from there. I'm kind of stalling here to make sure that this video stays long enough for you to look at all of the videos we have for you on the right side. Now remember, the small videos, the small thumbnails are for the videos that we put up there as part of this directory. The larger thumbnails are just things that YouTube and Google think that you might enjoy. So stick with the smaller ones while you're trying to get through this. So if you're brand new to bridge, these are all the new things, new videos for you. And that ought to be a long enough stall. Enjoy the game of bridge, and we'll see you later.